So you must be ID, the attorney for the insurance company. My name is PA. I represent the plaintiff in this personal injury fender bender case. Let's discuss settlement.
I have been authorized by my adjuster to put $500 on this claim. I know that must sound generous to you, given the fact that your client likely won't prevail on liability.
But my client developed an interstitial hernia as a result of the accident, and now he walks around looking like a pregnant woman.
Let me check the file. Isn't your client an African American?
Yes, my client happens to be black. So what?
So, our proprietary actuarial program says that, in this county, he is likely to be denied any recovery.
But I'm not going to offer that to my client. He has a $5,000 surgery to deal with.
You have an ethical obligation to report the settlement offer to your client. Anyway, this is awkward. Let's BS about our lives for a while so you can try and live down the pathetic ignominy of your negotiating position. My firm is actually hiring an associate right now. We have so much work.
Are you offering me a job?
Didn't you go to a third-tier law school?
I prefer not to think about that.
I would too if I were you. How many resumes have I seen from those incompetent graduates? It literally must be hundreds. Besides, even though as a plaintiff's lawyer, you no doubt have remarkable insight into settling cases, our carriers don't want you because they take this business strangely personally. Even though it is not their money.
I don't know what to say.
Maybe if you had thought of what to say in law school, we wouldn't be having this conversation.
But didn't you just sort of imply that I went to a terrible law school? How would participating more have helped me?
I have no idea. I just enjoy messing with your mind, because practicing law for 30-some-odd years has deeply warped my personality.
I will take this case to trial, and justice will prevail. I will show you.
If you obtain any kind of recovery, you will surely face an appeal. I am preparing a motion for summary judgment based on the fact that your client is obese.
It's a hernia.
Whatever. Your client looks fat. Juries hate fat people, and my client, excuse me, my adjuster's computer program says that is a basis for summary judgment.
That's not a basis for a motion for summary judgment. Whether my client is fat is a matter of disputed fact. It's not even a sound basis as a matter of law for summary judgment.
I don't care. I'll prepare a motion and make you work for it anyway. Juries hate fat people. Here's an obscure case from a mean judge that somewhat could support this contention. I won't get sanctioned, but I will bill 15 hours on the motion. Did I mention my kid is going to law school next year?
I'm sure you are very proud.